Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to multiply by secant of s squared on numerator and denominator. Next, we have the formula in here. So we need to transform secant of s squared into this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan s. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have secant of s squared dx. So this one we change for u. This one we change for u. Secant of s squared dx we change for du. So we can use about partial fractions. So I will put 8 over 3 plus 5u, and then we have bu plus c over u squared plus 1. Now we can do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about u squared plus 1. So capital 8 multiplied by u squared plus 1. About this one, it is missing about 3 plus 5u. So bu plus c multiplied by 3 plus 5u. Now we need to expand this one. The next one we have b multiplied by number 3, 5 with c. So 3bu plus 5cu. And the next one we have 3c. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of u. About u squared, that is about a plus 5b. About u, that is about 3b plus 5c. About the numbers, we have a plus 3c. So we just have only number 1, that is about a plus 3c equals to number 1. This one and this one, you got number 0. And now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C. So we put A, B, C, go back in here. So 8, that is about this one. B, that is about this one. C, that is about this one. So we can put like this. So the integration of this one, that is about 1 over 5 Fn of the absolute value of 3 plus 5u. The next one, that is about 1 over 2 Fn of the absolute value of u squared plus 1. And the next one, that is about octane of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about tan x. So this one, that is about x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.